Hello everybody, my name is Hunter Rustad and this is my tech news presentation on the Nest thermostat giveaway, also known as the Power Project. This is my title slide. Here's just a little bit on Nest thermostats. Nest designs smart thermostats that are cost and energy efficient. Thermostats can connect to and be controlled by your smartphone, have many functions like reporting to you if there's a problem, changing the temperature, setting up like when it should go down, when it should go up. Since 2011, Nest has helped save more than 20 billion kilowatt hours of energy. And the thermostat pictured at the bottom is their thermostat E model, which is the one they'll be giving away, and I obtained it from Home Depot's website. This slide is about the energy burden in America. The average U.S. household spends 3.5% of their income on energy, and 1 in 5 households spends 20% or up to 50% of their income. And most current energy efficient technology is too expensive for low-income households. 35 million U.S. households struggle with high energy costs, and these households contain 22 million children who are suffering because of this. Low-income households spend 3 to 5 times more than average income households and usually have poor quality and outdated HVAC systems. Obviously, they can't afford to update them. They're expensive. I found out a furnace is going to run like $4,000 to $5,000. That is a lot, especially, a lot of these people are, living in rentals, and it's not up to them to fix it. And the people who own the rentals don't want to pay that money either, so they're just stuck. Alright, and this is a link to the Power Project website that gives statistics. Let's see if we can visit it real quick. Okay, here it is. You can explore your area by zip code. I'll enter my zip code. Alright. It's got Duluth, Minnesota. Enter. And there's different statistics that it displays. Let's see, let's click on this one. It says 552 kids are affected in my area. Let's go up here. Last year there were 196 days below freezing. That is a lot, especially if you don't have heat. So definitely check this out. There's a lot more to it, a lot more information, donation links, all kinds of stuff. Alright, next slide. This is about the Power Project that you could see on that previous website. Nest is working with utility companies, housing agencies, and nonprofit organizations for their Power Project, like Fannie Mae and Habitat for Humanity. The goal of the Power Project is to promote awareness of the energy burden in America and to help low-income households get energy-efficient technology in their homes, thus saving them money and giving them some peace of mind. To promote awareness, Nest put together the Power Project website, which we just saw. To help alleviate the burden of energy costs, Nest will give away 1 million thermostat E units, and Nest is providing special rates for housing agencies and nonprofits so they can provide energy-efficient technology for cheap. And here is where I got all my information from. Thank you for watching.